Iniutos na ni AFP Chief Emmanuel Bautista sa muling pag-imbestiga sa pagkakadismiss ng isang Philippine Military Academy cadet kamakailan. Ayon sa Facebook account ng foster parent ni PMA Cadet Jeff Aldrin siya ay na-dismiss dahil 2 minutong na-late sa klase. Ayon naman sa pamunuan ng PMA, nagsinungaling si Kudya na isang matinding paglabag sa panuntunan ng akademiya. Inihayag naman ni Lieutenant Colonel Ramon Zagala na natanggap na ni General Bautista ang ulat ukol rito kung kaya't iniutos niya muling imbestigahan ang naturang kaso. Pinabulaanan naman ni Zagala na ang pagsisinungaling sa kanilang mga commander at profesor ay malaking paglabag habang nasa PMA.
Nagbigay utos ang ating Chief of Staff na si General Emmanuel Bautista sa Superintendent ng Philippine Military Academy na si Major General Oscar Lopez na tingnan itong kaso na to at magkaroon ng re-investigation. At yung utos na yan ay binigay na niya at hinihintay na lang natin kung ang investigation na gagawin, ng re-investigation na gagawin ng Philippine Military Academy. Courses that train our future officers, such as the Philippine Military Academy, our other courses, pre-entry courses such as the Officer Candidate School. They all have an honor code, and this honor code states for the cadets is that the cadets don't lie, cheat, steal, or tolerate those among them who do. This is also holds the same for the Officer Candidate School. This code of conduct is very important because we want to ensure that once during pre-commissioning, we will have officers, commissioned officers in our Force of the Philippines that will not do such. Especially misconduct